Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Red Tiger 4K dual front and rear dashcam. This dashcam comes with a screen that I can use it as a backup monitor. It's small, but it does the job. The size does not take away from the quality of the video though. I have been very impressed with the overall quality from the front camera. It also has the GPS function, which is new. I used it as a driving mileage logs to record business mileage for my business. It's perfect for business tax purpose. With the built-in G sensor, the dash cam quickly captures an emergency situation, automatically locks the footage, preventing it from being overwritten, which ensuring important footage is kept secure. The car camera supports 24 hours parking monitor and time-lapse mode. The dedicated hardwire kit is needed for this function. Please contact Red Tiger support team to get it. With built-in GPS, the dash cam accurately tracks your driving location and speed. When playback the videos on the computer or smartphone, a simultaneous Google Map view will show your car's location, driving route, and driving speed. Our second best front and rear dash cam is Chortao Dual Dash Front and Rear Cam. Great dash cam for front and rear views. This is great for insurance purposes when you need it. It's very easy to set up and start recording. It continues to record and will save the video of any accident you may have. What is extremely nice is that the front view video and the rear video records in separate AVI files. Chortao Dual Dash Cam cover both front and rear angle for great protection and peace of mind on the road. Monitoring the roads ahead and behind the car simultaneously. The videos taken by the rear camera are stored alongside those from the front camera on the memory card for easy access. With 6 pieces LED, IR infrared lights and super night vision technology, the dashboard camera will capture clear videos and image footage even in low light night conditions. This dash camera's display screen will automatically show full rear view with parking guidelines when the car reverse gear is engaged. The waterproof rear view camera will help you to park your car easily and safely. Third choice in our list is Kingslam D4 4K front and rear cam. This one has amazing video quality and is easy to navigate around. I love how the backup camera feed loads on the same screen. It was truly plug and play. I put the back camera on my back window and threaded the cord under all the car molding. There was more than enough cord to reach the back of my GMC Acadia. The best part of the cam is it's easy to see your videos. The screen is big enough to watch them play right on the screen. The Kingslam D4 car camera supports high-endurance microSD memory cards up to 256 GB, ensuring room for even more 4K videos. Records all the excellent trip or scenery anytime, anywhere. Kingslam Dual Dash Cam adopts the industry-leading Sony IMX335 Starvis sensor and HiSilicon Hi3559 processor. With super night vision, f/1.8 aperture, and WDR technology, you can record stunning details, even in low-light environments. With front 170-degree and rear 150-degree super-wide viewing angles and 6-layer glass fixed focus lens, it gives you maximum coverage of the road and greatly enhances night vision, providing sharp and clear images and videos. Easy operation at your fingertips without fiddly buttons. IPS display screen makes for brighter and higher contrast images. Use one finger to control more Kingslam car dash camera features such as parking monitor, G-sensor, collision detection, seamless loop recording, emergency video lock, and time-lapse video recording. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Red Tiger 4K Dual Dash Front and Rear Cam. The quality of the graphics is outstanding. The 4K backup car camera has built-in Wi-Fi with easy connection to your smartphone app. With the UCam app, it's very convenient to operate live preview, playback, and device management on your smartphone. Video files can be downloaded to smartphone and shared with your friend by social media. The built-in GPS can easily record your driving route, driving speed and other information, which will become your important evidence. With the dedicated hardware kit, the recorder can automatically monitor the surrounding environment. When the built-in G sensor detects a sudden shock or collision, the camera will automatically lock video. Seamless loop recording will be automatically overwrite old files. Recording will be looped automatically. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best front and rear dash cam list is Togard Dual Dash Front and Rear Cam. This camera can record audio as well as video inside the vehicle. You can turn audio recording on or off. The front-facing camera that looks out the windshield has good dynamic range and resolution. It's small enough that it can be mounted so that it doesn't affect your view of the road. I have mine set to record 5-minute loops. Equipped with HDR technology, the front camera provides great exposure and dynamic range in low-light conditions such as driving into the sun or oncoming traffic headlights at night. Loop recording automatically overwrite the oldest footage to avoid memory card is full. The dash camera for car will automatically power on to record inside and outside when detects a sudden bump or impact to the car, which keep an extra eye on your car while parked. Please clean the windshield and remove the protector, then attach it on the windshield and twist the bracket to lock it. The interior-facing camera is surrounded by 4 infrared night vision lights, which captures decent images of the interior of your car when the passenger cabin is dark. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.